Are you a financial coach or money content creator with tons of budgeting tips, but no app to reach your audience? What if you could turn your money guides, budgeting tutorials, and financial strategies into a sleek mobile app in just a few hours, without writing a single line of code? Let's show you how we built this fully functional finance and budgeting coaching app using Stitch by Google, Bravo Studio, and a few powerful integrations. We prompted Stitch to generate a clean, modern design for a financial coaching app. It includes a welcome screen, a login page, a video library for money lessons, and a featured section for budgeting tools, savings challenges, and financial tips. Once the design felt right, we exported it to Figma. Here, we made visual tweaks, refined typography, adjusted spacing, and applied a bold, finance-inspired color palette with glowing chart visuals to reflect a modern money brand. Using the Bravo Studio Figma plugin, we applied Bravo tags to key screens like the login page. This tells Bravo exactly how to transform those screens into real, working app functionality. We then connected the screens using Figma prototyping to map out the full user journey, from onboarding to tracking budgets and accessing finance tutorials. We also created a custom app icon to give the app a sleek, professional presence on users' devices. Now it's time to bring the design to life inside Bravo Studio. Bravo instantly converts your Figma file into a real iOS and Android mobile app. No code, just copy, paste, and go. You can preview your app immediately using the Bravo Vision app. To deliver your finance tutorials and budgeting guides, we embedded a custom video player using Bravo's WebView tag. This player connects to your hosted videos or YouTube Vimeo content, so your users can learn and apply money tips right inside the app. Next, we set up secure login using Kinde, integrated via Bravo's external OAuth snippet and a Xano backend. This ensures that only authenticated or paying up users can access your premium finance content. We used Bravo's Xano snippet to manage user accounts, saved budgets, progress trackers, and other backend data without writing a single line of backend code. Want to monetize your app? Add RevenueCat or Kinde billing, and you're ready to offer subscriptions, premium financial courses, or exclusive coaching plans. And that's it. In just a few steps, we built a fully functional financial coaching and budgeting app with no code, ready to grow your brand, engage your audience, and turn your money expertise into a mobile experience. Whether you're a financial advisor, money coach, or personal finance content creator, Bravo Studio is the fastest way to bring your expertise to mobile. Enjoy building with Bravo Studio.